AI. It's one of the most overused and least understood terms in the world today. Everyone's talking about it, but few people can actually explain what it is. What even qualifies a company as AI? What separates hype from real business? But most importantly, how do these AI companies actually make money? What triggers the flow of cash into their accounts? Millions, sometimes billions of dollars, every single month. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 AI companies, who they are, and how they make money.
Our first company is the powerful and now household name, NVIDIA. NVIDIA was founded in 1993 and initially focused on manufacturing graphics processing units, GPUs, for personal computers and video game systems. In the 1990s and early 2000s, their GPUs were central to gaming graphics. As the technology industry evolved, the demand grew for faster, smaller, and more efficient processors, delivering more power per chip. NVIDIA has consistently led this evolution. For many years, NVIDIA's growth was steady, centered on gaming and professional visualization markets. Everything changed with the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and data centers, which led to explosive demand for high-performance GPUs. The same chips designed for gaming became the backbone of AI processing infrastructure worldwide. Today, NVIDIA operates 2 primary business segments: hardware and software services. Their hardware division, centered around advanced GPUs, remains the core revenue driver. NVIDIA sells GPUs as discrete units and also offers integrated AI systems, such as their DGX platform. The DGX platform is essentially a supercomputer in a box, combining multiple high-end GPUs with high-bandwidth memory and ultra-fast networking, specifically designed for training and running large AI models. The latest DGX B200 model uses 8 of NVIDIA's new Blackwell GPUs, offering several times the performance of previous generations. The Blackwell architecture is NVIDIA's cutting-edge GPU design, optimized for extreme performance and energy efficiency, enabling faster and cheaper AI model training and inference. Leading cloud providers like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google use this architecture in their new data centers, generating significant revenue for NVIDIA. NVIDIA sells these DGX systems and GPUs mainly to enterprises and cloud providers via large, high-margin contracts, including direct sales, leases, and multi-year support packages. This hardware business now constitutes the majority of NVIDIA's data center revenue. However, NVIDIA is no longer just a hardware company. They have strategically developed a growing software and services ecosystem that creates recurring, long-term revenue. CUDA is a key component of this ecosystem, a proprietary parallel computing platform and programming model that allows developers to fully tap into the power of NVIDIA GPUs. CUDA has become the industry standard, attracting AI researchers, engineers, and scientists who build their applications on NVIDIA hardware, creating strong customer lock-in. Additionally, NVIDIA AI Enterprise offers a comprehensive suite of software frameworks, libraries, and pre-trained models to help companies deploy AI solutions at scale. This is sold as an enterprise license, providing ongoing access, tools, and support for production-grade AAI workloads on NVIDIA infrastructure. For organizations preferring cloud-based access, NVIDIA offers DGX Cloud, a fully managed service providing virtual access to NVIDIA's supercomputing power through major cloud providers like Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle. Instead of hardware ownership, customers pay subscription or usage-based fees to run AI models on NVIDIA infrastructure, one of the fastest-growing parts of NVIDIA's business. In summary, NVIDIA's transformation is clear. Their hardware business generates large one-time sales and support contracts, while their software and cloud services deliver recurring revenue streams. Together, they form a closed ecosystem where hardware drives software adoption and software reinforces hardware demand. NVIDIA gets paid as the world builds more intelligence. Every new data center, AI model, and autonomous vehicle increasingly relies on NVIDIA hardware and software. In essence, NVIDIA is no longer just a chip maker, it is the infrastructure company powering the global AI revolution.
Our second company is one of the biggest names in technology history, Microsoft. Founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, Microsoft built its empire by pioneering operating systems, starting with MS-DOS and later Windows, which became the backbone of personal computing. Over decades, it evolved into a diversified technology giant, offering everything from office software to gaming consoles to enterprise cloud infrastructure. Microsoft's latest transformation pivots on artificial intelligence, with its AI business anchored by two main engines: cloud infrastructure and AI integration across its software products. Azure, Microsoft's global cloud computing platform, forms the backbone of its AI offerings. Azure enables businesses, developers, and governments to rent on-demand computing power, storage, and networking resources instead of owning physical servers. Within Azure, Microsoft offers specialized AI services, including machine learning, large language model hosting, and APIs powered by OpenAI technology. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules that allows different software systems to communicate and exchange data. Think of an API as a messenger that takes requests from one program, tells another system what to do, and returns the results. APIs enable developers to access powerful AI models like GPT-4, hosted on Azure, without needing to understand the complex details underneath. Microsoft invested billions in OpenAI and integrated its technology into Azure, giving customers exclusive access to these AI models via usage-based API calls. Every time a company trains or queries a model through these APIs, Microsoft earns revenue, creating an AI as a utility business model. Beyond cloud infrastructure, Microsoft has embedded AI deeply into its product ecosystem, transforming traditional software into AI-powered, subscription-based services. Microsoft 365 Copilot enhances productivity apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook with AI assistance, creating a premium tier with additional monthly user fees. This subscription model extends across other key divisions. Dynamics 365 leverages AI for automating workflows and insights. GitHub Copilot offers AI-driven coding assistance via monthly subscriptions. And LinkedIn uses AI to boost user engagement and targeted advertising, contributing ad revenue. Microsoft's revenue streams from AI thus span three main pillars: Azure AI infrastructure, selling compute power, data storage, and access to AI models on a pay-as-you-go basis; productivity AI subscriptions, recurring revenue from AI-augmented software like Microsoft 365 Copilot; AI licensing and partnerships, revenues from licensing AI technologies and sharing income with ecosystem partners. These elements create a reinforcing flywheel. Azure provides scalable infrastructure, AI-powered software drives user adoption, and enterprise reliance deepens Microsoft's ecosystem entrenchment. Financially, Microsoft's cloud segment, led by Azure and AI services, is its fastest-growing business and a major revenue driver in 2025, fueled by booming AI workloads. In summary, Microsoft monetizes AI every time a customer uses its cloud AI services, leverages AI features in productivity tools, or accesses AI-powered enterprise solutions. This positions Microsoft not only as a software company, but as the crucial platform delivering AI capabilities worldwide. They aren't just selling future promises, they are already billing for today's AI-powered reality. Our third company is one that shaped the internet as we know it, Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google started as a search engine built around a powerful algorithm ranking websites by relevance. It quickly became the primary gateway to the internet. Over time, Google grew into a global ecosystem of products: Search, YouTube, Gmail, Maps, Chrome, Android, and Google Cloud, all under Alphabet Inc., created in 2015 to better manage its diverse businesses. Historically, Google earned most of its revenue through AI-driven advertising. Every search, YouTube view, or service use generated data to power targeted ads, making Google one of the world's most profitable companies. As AI advanced, Alphabet restructured its model around three main AI revenue pillars: advertising, cloud infrastructure, and AI platforms. Advertising remains the financial core. Google Ads and YouTube Ads now use AI to optimize bidding, recommendation, and targeting in real time, maximizing precision and advertiser payments. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Alphabet's cloud service, offers businesses access to virtual machines, storage, and advanced AI tools hosted in Google's secure, high-speed data centers worldwide. Customers rent these resources on demand, powering AI workloads and application scaling without owning hardware. GCP services like Vertex AI and Gemini provide foundational AI models, built based on usage, similar to other cloud providers. The third pillar is AI integrated in consumer and enterprise products. The Gemini Assistant, successor to Bard, helps generate content and automate tasks within Google Apps, driving engagement and premium subscriptions in Google Workspace. YouTube also leverages AI for content moderation, recommendations, and creator tools, increasing ad revenue. Together, these AI-driven streams form a cycle where data improves AI enhances products, and better products generate more data and profit. In summary, Alphabet monetizes AI in three ways: AI-enhanced advertising, precision-targeted ads that command higher prices, cloud AI infrastructure, renting compute and AI services through GCP, AI-powered products, embedding intelligence in apps to create subscriptions and premium features. Alphabet stands as a leader in AI-driven transformation, earning revenue each time intelligence powers search, ads, cloud services, or applications.
Our fourth company is one of the fastest rising names in the artificial intelligence industry, Anthropic. Founded in 2021 by Dario Amodei, Daniela Amodei, and a team of former OpenAI researchers, Anthropic set out to build safe and aligned AI systems, powerful yet predictable and controllable. While others focused on pushing model scale, Anthropic emphasizes model behavior, interpretability, and ethical safety. Its flagship product, Claude, is a suite of large language models that compete directly with OpenAI's GPT series. Claude powers conversational assistants, enterprise copilots, and intelligent agents that analyze text, write code, summarize documents, and handle complex reasoning. Claude's safety-first design makes it favored by governments, financial institutions, and Fortune 500 companies managing sensitive data. Anthropic's revenue mainly comes from usage-based access to Claude through cloud partnerships and direct enterprise contracts. Major cloud providers Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud have invested heavily in Anthropic, integrating Claude within their platforms, AWS through Amazon Bedrock and Google via Vertex AI. Businesses pay for Claude's use on these platforms, sharing revenue with Anthropic. Direct enterprise deals offer premium packages with dedicated model access, enhanced privacy, fine-tuning, and priority support, important for regulated industries and governments seeking aligned AI solutions. Anthropic's strategy is to innovate in model safety and capability while relying on partners to provide the heavy cloud infrastructure. This asset-light approach accelerates growth and funds ongoing research and adoption. In short, Anthropic earns recurring revenue every time Claude is used, whether it's accessed directly,
or through its cloud partners. Its growing focus on responsible AI has positioned it as a trusted name in the industry. They don't just sell intelligence, they sell responsible intelligence.
Our fifth and final company operates behind the scenes, quietly powering much of the AI revolution. It's called Scale AI. Founded in 2016 by Alexander Wang, Scale AI's mission is simple but critical, providing the high-quality labeled data that machine learning models depend on. No matter how advanced AI models become, they can only learn effectively from accurate, structured data, and that data must be meticulously labeled and annotated. Scale AI started as a data labeling service for autonomous vehicles, defense, and computer vision systems. Over time, it evolved into a full AI infrastructure company, offering end-to-end solutions for data operations, model training support, and government contracts. Its flagship platform, Scale Data Engine, uses a combination of human expertise and automation to label and clean massive data sets with speed and accuracy. Customers pay based on project complexity and data volume, often through recurring contracts, as models require constant new data. Scale's model training tools help organizations fine-tune and evaluate AI systems, with their Gen AI platform enabling training large language models using proprietary data, billed by usage or project. A significant revenue source is multi-year contracts with government and defense clients. Scale supports modernization of military intelligence and simulation systems, generating high-margin funding worth tens to hundreds of millions annually. Scale operates on a mix of recurring enterprise subscriptions, project fees, and long-term government contracts, all anchored by the growing need for clean, reliable, and secure data. While companies like NVIDIA sell hardware and Microsoft and Google provide cloud infrastructure, Scale AI fuels the entire AI ecosystem by turning raw data into essential training material. In essence, Scale AI gets paid to make intelligence possible. They are the data refinery of the AI economy, transforming raw information into the fuel that powers tomorrow's AI innovations. And as AI adoption explodes across industries, demand for Scale's data services is poised to rise exponentially.
As you can see, AI isn't some mysterious new frontier. It's the next phase of technology. Most leading AI companies aren't startups out of nowhere. They're the tech giants that have shaped our digital world for decades. Microsoft, Google, NVIDIA, alongside newer players like Anthropic and Center AI, who are carving out their own lanes. AI is simply computers doing work that once required people, faster, smarter, and at scale. The term artificial intelligence gets tossed around a lot, but it's not new. What's changed is the speed, accessibility, and massive business behind it. So don't be intimidated by AI. It's not magic, it's economics. Focus on understanding the organizations, what they build, and how they make money. Once you see where the money flows, you'll cut through the hype and spot real opportunities before the crowd. This is Intelvestor, where we follow the money, not the noise.